Guys, so today I want to prepare this delicious recipe. I have been eating this so well growing up as a child, but since I am not in the village, I forgot about this recipe. But today I want to try it again. I want to try it one more time. See, this soup is so delicious. I mean, have you eaten egg and okra soup before? That's what I want to prepare today, and it's my long time craving. So since I am chance today, let me make this delicious recipe for you guys. So here I was already cutting my okra, and I have my egg, my onion, and the rest of the ingredients. So guys, join me together as I'm going to prepare this delicious meal, and I'm also going to serve this soup to my boyfriend. Let's see his reaction. But for now, guys, let's dive in. See you guys later. Bye. I hope you guys enjoy the process, and I also hope that you guys will try this delicious recipe. So yeah, I was already turning my semu because soup is ready, guys. We gonna eat. See, now my soup is ready and it's looking, oh my god. If I don't tell you that I use okra and egg to prepare the soup, will you know? Tell me, will you know? You're not gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. So guys, soup is ready. Come and join me. Bye.